I'm Christian. The title of this poem is called Evil Beings. All right. Please don't ever judge me, nigga, you don't know what I done lost. Mama is a lost cause, dad just lost in the sauce, but he trying to find his way, smoking dope every day, just to cope with all the pain. Daughter is a runaway, but her daddy went to jail and now she'll never be the same. While I'm contemplating death, don't never ever see a shade, and when emotions come and play, with my brain I feel insane. Pray the Lord let me escape, with the blood of the bars that runs deep through my veins. Break the chains off the captive, we are no longer the slaves, the ghetto sinister. The way them boys run up with them things, let a bang and take his chain, every day the same thing. 14, yeah, he was my nigga Jimmy, just was slain. On the block, his body rocks, knock on the door, it's the cops. Now his family lighting candles on the corner, he got popped. Rest his soul, God, please. His mama drops to her knees, asking why, God, why? I pray you put her mind at ease. Paralyzed, I wanna cry, as the tears roll down her eyes, knowing damn well that only evil beings carry knives. Go home and load on mine, as tonight I decide that Christian Navy gonna die. Put the gun to my head as I said my last goodbyes. When I leave, I'll say, fuck the world and all its lies.